तेन मे सफलावाप्तिर्भवेत् जन्मनि जन्मनि फलेन फलितं सर्वं त्रैलोक्येन सफलाश्च मनोरथाः। नमो ब्रह्मण्यदेवाय गोब्राह्मणहिताय।
Small smartphones, new additional play equipment, but apart from this there are 50 more play equipments coming.
प्रॅक्टिकली पळयताना माझ्या फाटल्यान हांगा पळयल्यार तुमी पळयता दिस इज ओल्ड प्ले इक्विपमेंट. इतल्या वर्सांनी ते बाद झालं. दॅट हॅज टू बी रिप्लेस्ड. बट प्ले आयटम्स भुरग्यां कडेन स्टार्ट करता. As many as 40 new items we are getting. So this entire thing will be replaced in an entire park. This is going to be like brand new, as well as behind their open gym. That equipment also has come. Thomas, I hope you are listening. The open gym there. Besides that, Devyang, जे आम्ही सगळेकडे म्हणटा, handicapped जे लोक असतात, त्यांना कितें तरी आसपा जाय. We have created a special space for them. This is the one, no? Yeah, this is the one. The temple आम्ही आता थिंगा देवाकडे पाय पडून आले त्या ब्राह्मणाकडे. थिंगाच ही एरिया जावन आसा. So from entire Goa, if they want to come to a good park, आवय बापूय इच्छिता थिंगा कितें तरी बरे कडेन व्हरया म्हण कांय तांकां बावड्यान स्पेस आसना. So this is specially for them. So even we have provided for the disabled. The other requirement phase 3 म्हणल्यार प्रॅक्टिकली येयल्यार आमचो एकूच वॉशरूम आसलो. ओके, आम्ही आता आणि 2 वॉशरूम केला आणि ते 2 वॉशरूम एक हिंगा आणि एक हिंगा 8 आणि हिंगा 3 आहात हिंगा. सो 2 additional washrooms. ओके, and then this is cafeteria behind, no? Yeah, आम्ही आणि एक लॅकिंग असले हांगा फूड कोर्ट. आम्ही फूड कोर्ट म्हणून केला. तुम्ही पहिला शॉप म्हणून केले, मागीर वयर रेस्टॉरंट करपाक केल्ले, पण ते कंप्लीट जावना. रुफींग बी नासले. आता वयर थिंगा रुफींग जातले. इट विल बी लायक अ कॅफेटेरिया. इट सम डिसेंट पर्सन विल कम एंड ऑपरेट देर. म्हणजे दॅट इज सेपरेट फ्रॉम द पार्क. 2 पावलां मारून भायर वचपा जाय पार्कांतसून. मागीर तूं हॉटेला म्हणजे कॅफेटेरिया पावता. हे कित्याक केलां आमी? नोबडी शूड डिस्टर्ब द पार्क. ना येवन सगळे खावपाक बसले आनी कितें केलां ते म्हणजे बरें दिसना इन द पार्क. सो इवन दॅट वी हॅव टेकन केअर. So that cafeteria is going to become something totally isolated, but at the same time, लोकांक दोन थिंग वचपा मेळटा. Okay, that is the additional thing. Then of course, हिंगा तो लगून आसलो. So हांगा आमी ते योगा डेक घालता आणि योगा डेक म्हळ्यार that area can be used for parties and all, because here we have this room, activity center. So they can use this, so they can earn some money for the running of the park as well. Okay, this is the other thing. Then this is the music den where people will come and play. It is near the behind gate, I think. Near the Christmas tree behind gate Hathinga. They can do the jamming sessions and all. They come to practice. Sometimes people love to see good musicians. They can utilize this space, come and jam. People will come and flock there. Then there is in this circular thing here, हिंगा इथे लाईट व्हडली आम्ही घायला थिंगा. हिंगा व्हडले म्हणजे वॉटर फाउंटन येतली विथ एस्थेटिक लाइटिंग, colored lighting. It will look very nice, this particular thing. Okay, so this is another new change that is coming here. This is of course lighting with the genset backup and all that. The lights again, park will never be in darkness. Important is, as you know, electrical wiring, plumbing, it has all become old. And ताका लागून problem येता. That also it is being replaced. New, it is going to be a brand new wiring. Also is replaced. So basically, it will get a facelift as if it is brand new. Most important, another thing, this is a small school for kindergarten kids in the Patlan. Small children I see every morning. Whenever I come here, obviously that is the lower KG and upper KG for them, and they need air conditioning because they feel very hot. Similarly, there is a gym here for ladies, specially meant for ladies, but very few ladies come. I hope after proper cooling is there, I think they will start coming and there will be more members there to the gym. As well as your other hall, there is a boxing ring, boxing Many of our boxers are there at the national level now. They all come for boxing here. This is the only facility for the boxers. Nowhere else it is there. As well as the other one for Zumba, dancing classes, yoga, all that is being done from the other hall. So that also is getting a facelift. Huh? Yeah. And of course, AC for the Mahila Bhavan as well. Mahila Bhavan, when I talk about it, आमच्या ऑपोजिटच महिला भवन हा आजच मुख्यमंत्र्यान आमकां टायमिंग दिला 5:30 on 11th. ओके, आम्ही त्या स्किलिंग सेंटर केला तो महिला रिसोर्स सेंटर. कितें केला ते दिसा सगळ्यांनी येवन पळोवपाचें. So Honorable CM is going to be there. It's going to be a big function. Many things are there. I don't want to tell here. On 11th तुम्ही येवन थिंगा पळोवपाचें कितें केलां तें. ओके, त्या दिसा दिसतलें. आता कमिंग बॅक टू द पार्किंग एंड EV चार्जिंग स्टेशनूय आमी हांगा हेजे भायर आमचे प्रॉपर्टी आहा थिंगा करपाक केल्ले आसा. आणि दॅट आय थिंक ऑल्सो विल बी रेडी along with all these things. Then I think I have covered most of the point. Irrigation improvement will be there. Ajay was here, who looks after this landscaping. He was complaining enough water will not be there. Ajay, and I think with that improvement, all this particular overall means it will be there for everyone to see. Okay, so. Yeah, these 4 smart poles also are coming here. They have taken pains to do that, and they are good thinking, I must say. So that Wi-Fi automatically connect जातले. So that is a very good thing for the Gen Z, something for them. So they can just sit in the park and have their internet and do whatever they want to do in such a beautiful environment. And not only they, I must say that even many old people, you should see morning how they jam up at those different corners. So they also will get, they are looking over their mobile, they can see all these programs and do all these type of things. So,
Water fountain.
Yeah. Yeah, that storing is already being improved, I have told that.
Fountain also, no?
Yeah, the fountain I have told that. Fountain will be there right in the middle. And it will be, see, when you look at the park, already people appreciate it, but it will be literally a wow factor. So that is what is important. And this whole area, I want to say that it is going to become like a center of excellence. One side, nice gym, outdoor, indoor, nice yoga, all health related things are going to be taken care of. And as well as opposite you go, something for the Mahilas to earn their livelihood, Mahila Resource Center. When you see it, you will know it, what has happened. In fact, it is an awesome thing that we are doing for the ladies. Opposite here, which is an empty space which you see, even that is being converted, I just want to say, into a training center. What should I call it? Skill Development Center for the youth, for WM Skill Centers, WM Center of Excellence. I saw that model being implemented in Bombay. Mr. Piyush Goyal, who is the Union Minister for Trade and Commerce, he told me, go and see my facility, you certainly will do it, you like it. Same concept, or little modifying it, I am doing here. Automatically, whether you are 8th standard, whether you are SSC, whether you are 12, both girls and boys, it is not that it is only for boys, it is for the younger generation, they will come, get trained, companies will absorb them. Those same companies which train them will absorb them. Rest of them will go to the other companies. So it's a private initiative, what I am doing, where people will automatically get skilled and they will get employed in different companies. So it's a